Remember something, you as a teacher also need to make your own portfolio so that you can show your employer the best work that you have done with your students. And we're going to talk at the end of this course about some of the portfolios that you can do for yourself. The last type of portfolios we're going to mention, they are the same like the other three, but this time they are not hard copies, they are like soft copy, they are digital portfolios. And here, we are in this era where the students are going to be using their phones and computers all the time, so it's going to be a great opportunity to turn all of their work into online version. And it's gonna be great because it will help the students build their own professional brand since they are kids or if they are grown-ups, and they can display to the employer if they are going to travel for a scholarship or having an interview, so they can have all of that as a digital portfolio. A digital portfolio can be done through Google Drive or any of the famous websites for e-portfolios. You can check them online. And also for you as a teacher, you need to create your own portfolio to show off your work so that you can get more job opportunities. And you can check our course on how to build your own online personal brand so that you can make the best use out of social media. In this course, we talked about the different types of portfolios, and you need to go and search more about them and try to apply them and let us know how it went. Thank you, and wait for the coming course.